When you're trying to log into your Instagram account, you may be facing issues like these. Couldn't open Instagram. Instagram auto back. Today I show you easy method to fix this problem. Okay, first open your Play Store and search Instagram. If you've seen any update option, first update the app. If it's not work, open Play Store again and uninstall the Instagram app. Next, we need to try with old version of Instagram. So you can download this file searching from Google, or you can download from the link given in the description down below. Also, I'll mention in the comments section as well, so you can download the correct version. Once you download the file, just open and install the application. Then the problem will be solved. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.